Running a business sounds exciting, but you realize it's a roller coaster without a seatbelt. 1 minute, you're basking in the joy of landing a new client, and the next, you get an unexpected tax bill and wonder what went wrong. Stress doesn't hit suddenly, it creeps up on you. You skip meals, cancel family gatherings, postpone exercise. Then, it becomes a habit. Before you know it, you're working 14-hour days, sleeping poorly, and yelling at your loved ones. Sound familiar? This is how burnout starts. Not suddenly, but with constant stress you think you can handle, until you actually can't. The first step in managing business stress is acknowledging it. You're not a machine, you're human. It's okay to admit you're tired. It doesn't make you weaker, it makes you wiser. From there, you can take action. One of the biggest obstacles to business stress is trying to control everything. Orders, emails, ads, social media, customer reviews, that supplier who never responds on time. The truth is, you can't control everything, and when you do try to control it, it consumes you. What's the smart thing to do? Focus only on the task at hand. Prioritize the top 3 tasks each day and let the rest go. You can't run a company and handle everything at the same time. Delegate, automate, trust your people. If a task is draining your energy and not delivering results, it's time to rethink it. When you shift your mindset from control to clarity, business stress is reduced. Now, let's talk about mental health, which most entrepreneurs ignore until they're crying over emails in the middle of the night. Every entrepreneur needs a daily reset, just like an athlete needs to cool down. Whether it's journaling in the morning, taking a brisk walk, or just sitting quietly for 10 minutes, persevere. These aren't luxuries, they're your survival tools. Your brain is like a computer. It crashes with too many tabs open. Close a few. Even taking a few deep breaths between meetings or taking a 15-minute walk outside can make a huge difference in your mood. I know a founder who spends 10 minutes each morning visualizing his company in perfect working order and says it cuts his stress in half. Find a method that works for you and stick with it. You can't pour water from an empty glass. Really? A calm, rested entrepreneur makes better decisions and fewer mistakes. That's what will make you successful in the long run. What no one tells you is that when you deal with business stress alone, it feels 10 times heavier. You need a shield against stress, and that shield needs the support of people and a purpose. Spend time with people who understand you, other entrepreneurs, business coaches, even your closest friends. So stop and take a deep breath. Remember, you're not alone, and you're doing better than you think. Keep going, smarter and stronger.